To form a verb in present tense in Norwegian is quite easy. You just simply add R to the basic of the verb. As you can see, the basic form of the verb å hete, you can just add the R and then you find the present tense. And it's the same verb regardless of the pronouns. So it's jeg heter, vi heter. The same thing about å komme. You just add the R. One of the verbs that differ from this is å være, which means to be. In Norwegian present tense, it's er. This means that this is an irregular verb. So hopefully you found this video useful, and good luck on the tasks.